We've got Chow Chow! These are a favourite vegetable on St Helena, used a lot in Sunday roasts. It's either cooked one of three ways: it's boiled, it's roasted, or it's stuffed. We are going to be stuffing these.
And this is the result, a traditional stuffed Chow Chow. Let's give it a go.
Let's taste.
Yeah. Oh, get in there. Oh, look at that.
Oh,
good. So good.
Really, really lovely. Okay, so in addition to the traditional one, we also make two other variations for people that want to try something different.
Such a versatile vegetable that we've stuffed it this time with some curried tuna. Yeah, let's try this one as well.
That one too.
Oh, mine.
Oh my god, that's really good.
That's so good.
The curry and the tuna works really, really well. Nice and savoury. And then the second option we did is for all vegetarians out there who probably don't want to put in the traditional bacon, which is used in the traditional recipe. And so we've done a vegetarian one as well.
Yeah, but you could make it to your own taste. It's, like I said, it's such versatile. As long as you boil it and scoop it out, you can stuff it with whatever you like.
Yeah.
Well, let's give this a go, because...
Oh wow.
Is it good?
So yeah, so the vegetarian one has potato and peppers and onions and tomatoes and chow chow, obviously. And really good, relax.
Yeah, it goes great with like any roast, or if you're just looking to impress your friends, maybe.
Yeah, like a side dish maybe, or a starter. There's quite a nice little savoury sweet thing going on with chow chow, which is always really nice.
But if you see it in the shops, give it a go, stuff it to your heart's delight. And thank you for watching, as always. We love cooking St Helenian food for you all.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you guys. Like and share the video and spread the love of St Helenian food.
And if you'd like to learn more about St Helena and St Helenian cooking, then do like the page, visit our website. But until next time,
see you later, lovey.
See you later, lovey. Bye. Bye.